To you. My name is Sandip. I am from Mechanical Engineering. Today my topic is about manual assembly line versus automatic assembly line. Manual assembly line versus automatic assembly line. Introduction to assembly line. An assembly line to manufacturing process that involves sequential steps to produce a product. There are two primary types: manual assembly line and automatic assembly line. Understanding the difference helps in choosing the right method of specific manufacturing method. Definition of manual assembly line. A manual assembly line refers to human workers to perform tasks each stage. Workers use hard tools and manual products to assemble product. This method often allows for flexibility and customization in products. Definition of automated assembly line. An automated assembly line uses machine, robotics and computer control system for production. It is minimize human investigation during the manufacturing process. Automation aims to increase efficiency, speed and consistency in output. Cost of analysis in initial investment. Manual assembly line get generally have lower initial step consists of due to minimum machinery requirement. Automated lines require significant capital investment in machinery, robotics, and technologics. The charge depends on production volume and budget consideration. Cost analyzing operation expense. Manual lines often have higher labor cost and variability in wages. This is the operation expense figure. Automated lines in reduce labor expense but ongoing maintenance and energy cost. Long-term operation consists cost influence that overall expense of each method. Uh, an expensive business including there are payloads of expensive cost analyzing. Product of speed and efficiency. Automated assembly lines typically offer faster production with consistent quality. Manual lines may expenses lower throughout and variability due to human factors. Efficiency gains and cooler for high volume manufacturing environment. The diagram shows about the product and speed of efficiency, flexibility and customization. Manual assembly lines are more adaptable to charges customized product. Automated lines can be reprogrammed but are in less flexibility for small batch varieties. The need for production disability of FSD choice between manual and automated methods. The diagram shows about the uh, wages and flexibility customization of the product to making the company. Quality control and consistency. Automated system provides uniform quality and reduce errors through prevention. Manual assembly may introduce variability but allows for human inspection and adjustment. Quality requirement influence that decision based on product standards. Workforce implementation. Manual assembly rules heavily on skilled labor, creating employment opportunity. Automatic can be lead to job displacement, but also create roles maintenance and programming. Work for training and management are critical factors are implemented. The daily workers are waging salary, implement and work. To doing the work, salary giving the all. Manual assembly like skilled labors and employment opportunity. Automation can be lead job displacement, but also create roles. Conclusion and recommendation. Both manual and automatic assembly lines have distinct advantages and limitations. The optimal choice depends on production, volume production, complementary budget, and flexibility rules. Combination both methods can sometimes provide a balanced approach to manufacturing efficiency. Both manual and automation. And they both manual and automation are advantages and limitations are having, but they are working to each other. The optimal choice are depending on a budget, volume, product comes and flexibility needs. The product ని ఒక బడ్జెట్ కొనడం వల్ల దాని ఫ్లెక్సిబిలిటీ నీడ్ వాల్యూమ్స్ కానీ దాని వెయిటేజ్ కానీ తెలుసుకోవాలి. Combining both methods can sometimes provide a balanced approach to manufacturing the product. Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. Thank you, sir.